Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yash Khandelwal. So today we are going to discuss another interview related problem based on strings in JavaScript. So let's first discuss what the problem is. So given a long string, return the first n characters from the string, but don't cut the last word. Here is the twist. We have to keep this condition in mind. So let's discuss this problem with the help of an example. So we have given this long string and n here given is n. Okay. So let's suppose if this condition was not there, so what would have been our output is like we have to return first 10 characters. So those first 10 characters will be these five LOREM and then a space six and then four characters from this word like IPSU, right? This would have been our answer. But in this given condition, we don't have to cut any word. So we can't do this. So we have to remove this word either either have to take it completely. So because we can't take it completely, in that case the condition would fail. So we have to remove. So output should have been this only. So how can we do that? So for every word, when we read this question, one thing is very clear. For every word, we have only two choices: either to take it completely or to leave it. Like we can't take some part of any word, right? So we have a choice for every word. As I stated, like we have to take it completely or we have to leave it. So what we can do is break this string into an array which will consist each of these words, and for every word we will check either we can take it or not, and we have only one condition to check, like after taking that word the length of my output result should be less than this given n, right? So let's try to code this. Let's create a function word break which will take a input string and a limit which is going to be this n. So first let's take an output variable and we will simply return this output variable, return result, right? Now let's first break it into an array which will consist of these words. How we can do that? We can do that by using split operator. Const word array is going to be str.split, and we will pass an empty a space character in this, like break this string from every space. So let's first console log this word array. So okay, we have to call this function as well. Word break is, let's console.log word break. Let's pass this text and pass in as a limit, right? So let's save it. Yes, we have got an array with each of these words. Now for every word we will check like if I can include this whole word in my output string or not. So how we can do that? Let's loop over this uh, array first using a simple for loop. I should be less than word array dot length I plus plus. Okay, so let's the current word is going to be word array of I, right? So I have to check like if this current word and my output string is result. So I have to check if current word dot length plus what was my output already, result dot length, is less than or equal to limit or not. If it is less than or equal to limit, then I can include it in my answer, right? So I can add it in my result. Otherwise, If I cannot add this word, then I can not move further. That much part should be my answer. So I will simply break it from here. And this break will keep me out of this for loop, and I will simply return the result. Right. So let's save it and let's check it. So yes, we are getting lorem ipsum, but we have to add space after every character, after every word, right? So we can add it here. So we have to keep in mind one more thing, like apart from this first word, I have to keep space between every two words. So I can do that with ternary operator. Like if I is equal to 0, then I have to take only this word. Otherwise, I have to first give a space and then add this word. Right. So then I will check if this current word dot length and whatever we have earlier in result. If I combine those two and that combined length is less than or equal to limit or not. If it is less than or equal to limit, then only I will add this word and move on. Save it. Yes, I'm getting my expected output. So if I increase this limit, let's suppose I make it 50. So again, we are getting this output, but we are not cutting our last word, which was the condition given in the question. Right. So this should have been the correct way to code this. I hope you understood the problem and the solution. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Please comment me down below if you want more such videos, and please consider subscribing the channel. Thank you.